Have a good day, guys. How are you all? Hope all will be fine and doing very awesome. Today, I'm going to share an awesome strategy which is for Boom 1000 and Crush 1000 index. If you were trading on derivative index, it's really very special and very easy to understand strategy. You just need to note the few basic points and then you're ready to go. How actually this strategy works, what is this strategy, what type of indicator used in this strategy, how to set up the strategy. I'm going to explain each and everything in this video, so please make sure you watch the video till end so you understand easily all the points I explained in this video. So let's get started. First of all, if your MT5 is updated, let's click on this indicator icon and click on involves. Involves is very popular indicator for trend trading. First of all, you have to select the period is 40, which is showing here. Look here, period is 40. Just change the number for 0 and the shift will be 0. Make sure you don't do any mistake. Okay, so shift will be 0. Deviation is the main important thing in this strategy. First of all, look at this point. Deviation will be 0.190. Make sure you understand. Take the screenshot and watch the video so you understand, and after watching the video you will set up the strategy looking your screenshots. Method will be simple. We are not going to change any exponential smooth the liner weight. We are going to choose a simple calculation. Okay, apply will be to close. Upper band will be 2 pixel, lower band will be 2 pixel. Choose any color you like. There's no any recommendation for colors. Click on levels, okay, and click this plus icon. The new window will pop up. Just simply enter the 50 level, 50. Okay, after entering the 50, I have one already. I'm going to delete that one. Let's click on done, and once done, let's go back on your chart and switch to M5 time frame. So as you guys can see, the strategy is set up. There is no any other indicator, there is no any other moving average, there is no any other thing, no any other point. Just need to focus on these involves bands. These bands can easily guide you the trend, reversal, breakouts, each and everything. I'm going to explain this strategy. The little knowledge of support and resistance you must need to know. Okay, the first of all, simply as you can see here, look at this point. As you can see here, the market is in this level, and also you can see easily at this support and resistance areas. These support and resistance areas actually tell us about the market movements, about the swing heights, about the high and low areas. The price momentum we track from support and resistance, what will be the next move, and where the market is going to give us a breakout, fake out, and where will be the high and low areas. Okay, I hope you guys understood. So this is the basic knowledge of support and resistance you need to know to use this strategy. And how to take the buy and sell signal. We are going to take only the buy trades like spike trading. Look on M5 time frame. Here you can see the market is moving downward, and after going downward, as you guys can see here, the market just reached to this lower band, which is colored red one. Okay, which is showing the market is already touching on the support. Now it's the confirmation. Wait for the confirmation. What will be the confirmation? You need to wait 2-3 candles. Once the market cross this band, the arrow band, okay, after crossing, you're not gonna open any trade. Wait for market at least 2 or 3 candles. Okay, after 2 or 3 candles, if market give you one spike, it's mean the market going to trade, change the trend, change the direction of swing, change the direction of low or high. Okay, it's depend on the condition of market. Look at the arrow. The arrow is showing the market is on lower band of involves, which is showing the market is going to give us a spike. Go and open a trade on this level, and once market give you spike, go and milk the spike. And how we know where will be our take profit? So go for take profit till here. So how will be take profit will work? Once the first spike appeared, just your position here. After one spike, book your 50% and hold your 50%. After the next spike, the same procedure. You will move your stop loss next to your entry price like trailing. Okay, and this will show you more pips and how to ride the trend. Okay, I hope you guys understood how to take trades on boom. For a spike, let's move on crush 1000. Okay, let's move on M5. Look here, the market was in bullish trend, strongly is going upward, not taking any trades. Let's move back. See here, in this area, we took the trade at this point. A first spike, we holded the trade with the stop loss and market went down. We made more profit. Okay, so each time you enter, look here, let me explain more easily in simple words. Look here was the market. We open the trade. Now what will be your stop loss? Here will be your stop loss, just few pips away. In case if the stop loss hit, go for next trade. If not hitting your stop loss, then wait for market to give you more pips. In this case you will make more profit. As you guys can see, no stop loss hit it and the market went downward. A spike paid us in sell position on crush 1000. We made awesome profit. Look here, one more example. As you guys can see here, these two examples. Again, I'm going to explain. Put the horizontal line. The market went to this area on upper band, the bill one. Wait for the market. Set your stop loss. What will be your stop loss? Simply pick the horizontal line, give a bit of space, set your stop loss and wait for the market to give you more spikes. And use the same method to holding your trades with trading stop. I hope you guys understood. If there's any question, you guys can check the description, chat with us. We are here to help you. It's very easy, very simple, very powerful, based on support and resistance, based on involve. This is a best strategy. Look here guys, a lot of trade you can pick with this. Many time maybe your stop loss will hit, but at least you will win more trades. Okay, and also you will know the market is in trend direction or the market is in manipulation position, like market is sideways. Okay, so this is very simple, unique, powerful strategy. Just understand the point I explained and follow a bit support and resistance of price action. Okay, use this strategy only for boom 1000 and crush 1000. Please don't use on any other index. This is not for any other index. This is only for pure boom 1000 and crush 1000. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and gained some knowledge about the boom and crush spike trading. If still any confusion, any problem, any question, check the description. Our team here to help you, and we guys will make sure you guys understand perfectly and make awesome profit. We'll come again in next video with more powerful concepts, with more powerful new strategies. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Best of luck.